Storytelling. So you know storytelling is at the heart of our daily lives, as well as a very effective marketing strategy. And it's been around since the beginning of time. But maybe you're feeling like your life is just a little bit too ordinary or even too boring to create exciting content. Well, I've been there too, and guess what? You are not alone. But here's the scoop. Your life is a goldmine of stories, just waiting to be shared. So with a little sprinkle of creativity and some storytelling magic, you can turn what you think is your boring life into content that is not only captivating, but empowering too. If you missed my last blog on using storytelling in marketing to create an emotional connection, no worries, I got you covered. I'll link it in the comments below. Okay, so let's get back to your story. Perspective is everything, meaning you know that thing that you do that you think is mundane. Trust me, it's not, and it's intriguing to someone else. So take those experiences and add a pinch of your thoughts and emotions, and voila, you've created a compelling story and you're ready to go. And hey, let me tell you, even your routine stuff can become engaging tales. You know that recipe that you love? So instead of just sharing the ingredients, spice it up a little and add a dash of maybe some cultural history, or a touching, heartwarming story of when you made the recipe with your grandma. Think of it as painting a picture with words, and turn something simple into something extraordinary. And don't underestimate your own journey. I'm sure you've faced some struggles or challenges along the way, right? Who hasn't? Well, guess what? You're the hero of your story. So whether it's conquering fears or learning from setbacks, those moments are pure gold. And here's a tip. Being real and sharing your struggles, that is where the magic happens. I shared a few weeks back about how your struggles are actually your superpower, because they are what make you perfectly qualified to help someone else who's going through something that you've already been through. And remember, stories don't always have to even be about you. I'm sure there's some colorful characters in your life, like maybe your quirky neighbor or the neighborhood critter. Just let your imagination run wild. Weave these fun characters into your stories to make them really pop. You can also share funny mishaps or life bloopers, as I like to call them. Talk about something you love doing, or even about a new activity or hobby that you're wanting to start. Just remember to be you, the real, authentic you. That is your secret sauce. And know that storytelling gets better with practice. So if your first try isn't an instant hit, no worries. Just keep at it, tweaking, experimenting, and learning as you go. Your stories will evolve. Bottom line, my friend, your life is not boring. It is a treasure chest of tales just waiting to be shared. So get started, because your unique story is worth sharing, and there is an eager audience ready to be inspired by you. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of my new content. And please share with any fellow entrepreneur friends who you think this may help. It can help them, and it also helps me to reach a wider audience. And I'd love to see your storytelling journey. So be sure to message me or tag me to let me know when you've shared a story. Until next time, stay inspired, keep learning, and never stop dreaming. Happy storytelling. You got this.